By Kate Duguid New York, May 30. Reuters. The euro on Wednesday recorded its second biggest daily rise against the dollar this year following reports that Italy's biggest party would make a renewed attempt to form a coalition government and end months of political turmoil. A source close to Five Star, which emerged from inconclusive elections in March as the single biggest party in parliament, said the parties were now trying to find the point of compromise on another name for economy minister. The crisis began over the weekend when Five Star and the right-wing League abandoned their plan to form a coalition after Italy's head of state vetoed their choice of 81-year-old Eurosceptic Paolo Savona as economy minister. This raised the prospect of an early election, which markets feared would become a de facto referendum on Italy's use of the euro. On Wednesday, the euro rallied and Italian government bond yields settled below multi-year highs after Tuesday's market slide. The dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of 6 currencies, fell 0.8% to a session low of 94.038, a day after hitting a 6-1 over 2-month high. We're seeing a relief trade today. The dollar remains steady against the yen. Markets passed through the panic from yesterday, so everything that sold off hard is climbing back, the euro in particular, said Greg Anderson, global head of FX strategy at BMO Capital Markets in New York. The euro, which plunged to a 10-month low of $1.1510 on Tuesday, rose 1.2% to a session high of $1.1676 on Wednesday. It remains down 4% this month against the dollar. Aaron Brown, head of asset allocation at UBS Asset Management in New York, said that those fears of Italy's leaving the euro or Italy waned on Wednesday. We recognize the path to resolution is likely to be bumpy, saying the firm downgraded our outlook on European assets to account for recent developments. Against the greenback, the Canadian dollar strengthened as much as 1.4% on Wednesday after the country's central bank held interest rates steady but suggested that it could raise rates soon, possibly as early as July. The OIS, if you use it as a probability measure, is at about a 79% chance of a rate hike in July. That as significant as yesterday it was about 50/50. Amarjit Sahota, director of Clarity FX in San Francisco, said. The euro, after dropping 1% against the safe haven Swiss franc on Tuesday in its biggest daily fall since September, recovered 1.1% to 1.1566 francs. Reporting by Kate Duguid and Tommy Wilkes, editing by Leslie Adler.